MsTanMarie, and today is going to be a very matte eyeshadow look, something sultry with a pop of color on my lips. And today I did pull out an oldie but goodie palette. As always, what I'm trying to use up, I used the Tartelette palette. It's an all matte palette to create this look. The colors will be listed within the video. And for my lashes today, I did use Desire 2928. The suite that I used was Suite A, the standard. And on my lips, I am wearing Ellery lip liner and Ellery lipstick from ColourPop. Outline also with Night Mauve from MAC. So if you want to see how I created this look, then continue to watch. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I prime my eye using MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. I'm going to use the Tartelette All Matte palette. The first color that I'm going to use is called Wanderer. It is a neutral brown color. I'm sorry, the color name is Wander. I'm going to use MAC Brown Script as a transition color also. And I'm using a fluffy brush to apply it. I'm going to use a white pencil, so I want to make the color show up just a little bit more. And I'm just going back to blend out any harsh lines. I'm going to use a crease brush, and I'm going to apply the color Bombshell, which is a deep purple, in a V shape to create definition. And I'm just going backwards and forward with a new blending brush to blend all the colors together. I'm just going to deepen it up just a little bit more. Remember, blending is the key. Now let's move on to the lid. The color that I'm using now on the lid is called Natural Beauty. It is a nice mauve neutral color, and I'm just patting that all over the lid. I'm going to use the same colors under my lower line, just to add a little bit more definition. And I'm using the same colors that I used on the top, on my lids. I'm going to use this Ruby Kisses eyeliner. And I'm going to apply some mascara.